Have you ever noticed how some people seem to have a golden touch? They walk with a calm confidence, and opportunities and success appear to flow to them effortlessly, as if drawn by a magnetic force. Then, there are others, people who work just as hard, if not harder, but seem perpetually stuck, fighting against an invisible current, no matter what they try. The surprising truth is, the primary difference often has little to do with intelligence, background, or even work ethic. The secret ingredient, the fundamental differentiator, is their attitude. It's their internal operating system, their core mindset, which dictates how they perceive the world, react to challenges, and ultimately, what they believe is possible for themselves. And the best part? This mindset isn't a fixed trait. It's a skill you can learn, a mental muscle you can strengthen. Today, we're going to explore how adopting an abundance mindset can literally reprogram your brain, shifting your reality from not enough to more than enough. I'll give you a clear roadmap, showing you precisely how to start building this powerful foundation for wealth and success, beginning right now. Part 1. Scarcity versus abundance. First, let's diagnose its toxic opposite, the scarcity mindset. This perspective operates from a place of fear, whispering that life is a zero-sum game. Its core belief is, the pie is finite. There's only so much success and wealth to go around. When a colleague gets a promotion, the scarcity mindset thinks, that should have been mine, viewing their gain as your personal loss. This breeds anxiety and jealousy. It makes you hoard resources and information, causing you to miss collaborative ventures and game-changing opportunities because you're too afraid of losing your small piece of the pie. Now, let's flip the switch. The abundance mindset operates on a profoundly different belief. The pie is infinite. There is more than enough for everyone. It views the world as a landscape of boundless potential. When someone with this mindset sees another succeed, they think, that's inspiring. What can I learn from them to create my own success? This perspective fosters collaboration, creativity, and generosity, understanding that value is created, not just claimed. It replaces fear with a powerful, forward-moving energy that attracts even more opportunities. Let's make this real. Imagine two people, Tom and Sarah, are laid off from the same job. Tom, driven by scarcity, panics. He sees a shrinking job market and fierce competition. He isolates himself, cuts all spending, and his fear becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy of stagnation. Sarah, however, activates her abundance mindset. While initially concerned, she sees this as an opportunity for a pivot, not a failure. She invests in learning a new skill and reaches out to her network to learn and connect, not just to ask for a job. She believes a better opportunity is out there waiting for her to create it. Within months, Sarah doesn't just find another job, she lands a better one, because she saw possibility where Tom only saw loss. Part 2. How abundance attracts wealth. When you operate from abundance, your senses are heightened. You identify patterns people miss because you're not blinded by fear. A scarcity mindset creates tunnel vision, focused only on what's lacking. It shuts your eyes to the world of possibility. But an abundance mindset sets your soul free to see connections, to spot emerging trends, and to recognize opportunities disguised as problems. You start seeing the world not as it is, but as it could be. This new vision reveals that success isn't a zero-sum game. You start seeing collaboration instead of just competition. You spot opportunities for side work, for partnerships, for multiple ways to construct revenue. Where scarcity sees a rival, abundance sees a potential partner. You realize wealth isn't a single pie to be fought over, but an ocean of value that can be expanded for everyone involved. Naturally, you build better, more authentic relationships. Abundance thinkers are magnetic because they are givers, not takers. You freely share value, celebrate others' wins, and offer help without expecting anything in return. This generosity creates a powerful network effect, attracting other positive, growth-oriented people into your orbit. Your relationships become a source of mutual growth and shared opportunity. Most importantly, you take bold action. A scarcity mindset is paralyzing. It constantly whispers, "What if I fail?" and stifles you with fear. But an abundance mindset reframes the entire conversation. It urges you forward with a more powerful question: what if I succeed? It redefines failure not as an endpoint, but as crucial data, a lesson on the path to victory. This empowers you to launch the project and make the call, knowing that action, win or lose, is always progress.